turned out
They had
powerful.
to put it down.
They had to kill
Wow,
story.
man, that's sad. It sounds like
They
a
had
sad
the
ending, man.
strength of like,
La 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 la. Is the season to be jolly? La 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 la. Where do you think you're going, Sparky?
Oh, not on the rat hole. Mouth.
Okay, wow. Well, it's your lucky night, mister. Because you're hot, and I am newly divorced. Yeah, uh-huh.
Should have been me. Should have been me. You guys ever had one of these blowjob things?
So, what did I miss?
Oh, I was just telling everyone what you did to my penis in the bathroom.
Oh.
You're gonna want to wash those hand towels.
I said, you're going through that acid fire and retrieving the Yusupov amulet, or none of us are going to make it back to Storm Base 9 before the Jizzadreen Kill Squad.
wait, well, what's the Jizzadreen Kill Squad again?
JKS, Elite Tactical Unit. Genetic enhancement, degraded empathy. More machine than human, really. They will cut your nuts clean off before breakfast rat stress. Uncle Barry? You shit! Stop it! And you. And Josh was there too! This is a Futterman house! We'll take care of ourselves. Oh, we'll protect ourselves.
Oh, jeez.
You broke into my house and you terrorized me when I was a little boy.
We've been over this. Those were Latino hoodlums and a small boy.
No. It was them.
Barry, for the love of Pete, these people had nothing to do with that. Think about what you're saying.
No! Ah! You're gonna pay attention to me. Why don't you get your stupid head out of this time-traveling guy's butthole?
Barry, Corey is a friend.
Oh. Is he the friend kid brother you never had? Well, I'm right here. I'm your friend brother too. But you don't treat me like your friend brother. You treat me like friend garbage.
Barry, that is not true.
Oh, sorry to say.
This ends in a shootout, right?
Blood feud? How else could it end?
Yeah, I don't know.
You said that Wanda would like me.
I said she might like you. Might.
You said she's eager to meet people.
Not that eager.
I have a gun.
Oh, God.
I got my eye on you two.
Don't point that gun at them. You're not mad at them. You're mad at me.
I'm pretty sure I'm mad at them.
I haven't been a very good brother.
You used to lock me in my room and then tell me the house was on fire.
I can disarm this man with haste and brutality. Just say the word.
No, they need to work this out.
That's not how you treat family. Family is somebody to look out for, especially when someone's having a hard time.
It has not been easy. I should probably not drink.
We're going to get you help because we love you.
How about you and I go back to the bathroom and take this rat hole for a spin?
I will do anything you say.